Is Thrive Themes worth it? Well, yes and no. In this video I'm going to give you my honest opinion about Thrive Themes and how I use it to create websites in under 60 minutes. Hello, my name is Fredrik. I have lots of ideas and I have an entrepreneurial mind, and that's why I need to create my websites fast. I have WordPress, I have Thrive Themes, and I have MailerLite. And the only thing that costs is Thrive Themes. And for me it's absolutely worth it, because the time it takes for me to build the website with Thrive Themes is, I cost almost $200 an hour when I charge my customers. So having $299 a year, for me, it's a bargain. And just to show you how valuable I think this product is, I'm going to show you a little demonstration of how I use this plugin to create websites in under an hour. This is a website I made for my Swedish customers. I was just showing how easy it is to build a website with this plugin. So what I do first, when I have installed my Thrive theme, I go and make some adjustments. But first I go to this Thrive dashboard, and then I go to API connections, and I connect it with my mail autoresponder, in this case MailerLite. So that is ready to use when I build pages. And then I build the design, and I go to Thrive Theme Builder. We can just go to the Thrive Theme dashboard. No, here, Product Manager. And what you see here is a loads of other great products that I have, but I haven't used them because I use only the Thrive Architect and the Thrive Theme Builder to build my sites. They are so focused on conversion. So, when you buy this product, you also get a lot of education from this company. Okay, so when I have installed these two products, I go to the Thrive Theme Builder and I set my website up, and I do it by first choosing a theme. I always use this Shapeshift, but they have two others also, and they are similar to each other, but I use this because I'm used to it. Then this fantastic site wizard, where you go through and set up your site. From logo, brand color, you choose a different kind of header. Just let me show you how you can use different kind of headers like this. Just in a click, change your header. And also with the footer, I don't use blog post, but I just choose one. Like the others, I can choose a different kind of design. And then it's ready. Then you can go through your branding, you can change your color, or you can add your favvo icon, you can change your typo, and then you have your templates here where you can go in and edit your template. Maybe you think that I don't need this area, I can remove it. So that is what I do to just get the foundation up, and then I start building pages. And just to show you how easy it is to build a site, I click add new. I write new page. Oh, how creative I am. And I click publish, and then I launch the Thrive Architect, which is the theme builder. And here I want to choose a normal page because I want to have the header and footer. You can also choose, for example, a completely blank page where you can build your own landing page if you don't want the header or footer. But you can also do it like choosing this one. You can go to page, and then you can go to visibility settings like this. You can hide the header if you want, like this. But now we are going to just build some blocks, and then you just click on the plus sign and you click block, And then you see here you can choose from how many different kind of design elements as you like, and you can also build your own. And like this, you can choose this and just change the text, and then you can add a new block. You can add a new block, and you can choose this one that we had, like this, feature highlights. And then you can also take this block and move it up if you like. Have it, and then you can easily add your, like if you want to have a lead generation, you can use this, and you can connect this to the mailer light like this. You see how easy it is. I love it. I really love it. So you see how easy it is to use, and it's absolutely affordable for me. It's not affordable if you want to have like a special design, you need some special coding. Maybe that is not the product for you to choose Thrive Themes. But if you want to have converting web pages, doing it fast, doing it simple, and you know that they are tested, you know that they are converting, you should choose Thrive Themes and Thrive Architect. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to click the link below if you want to buy Thrive Themes through my affiliate link. Then I get a little commission for that, and I thank you for that. I hope that you see the value in this product, and I hope that you also can build websites really fast in the future. For till next time, have a nice day. Bye.